They go to kick, just sweep through and punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. In Seisankata, you see this, and I'm going to try to come in behind his kick, like that. 1, 2. Just sweep through. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And so in Seisankata, you see this happening. In Sanseru, you see this happening. I think you guys call it. Classically, we see a lot of this, but sometimes my hands are up already because I'm trying to diffuse, and my partner ends up throwing a front kick. And what I do is I reach out to the opposite corner of my body, and I pull across with that koken. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to try to come in behind his kick. Right, nice and slow. Like that, okay? But when he's coming at me, what that's going to do is bring his torso closer to me, okay? And then give me that liver punch right away. So it's going to be 1, 2. So he's going to fall into that as I strike. You could use 2 hands if you want. I'm just focusing on this one for now. So slowly, 1, 2. And it's really cool if you do continuous style sparring because people are up, they throw their thing, and you haven't hit the ground yet, and you feel that. Really efficient, really effective. Let's change directions. 1, 2. So reach out, come, Brian, put your leg right here, please. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna pull slightly, and then strike. Okay? And then, depending on what he's doing, stealing from Sensei Pentazi again, 1, 2, 3. More. No more. So give it a shot. Diagonally across the body, they go to kick, just sweep through and punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. I always keep this other hand up because look at that. To that end, guys, I think it's really beneficial if you spar to get some practice letting people grab your leg and learning to deal with this. Because the first time you get grabbed, you're like, oh my goodness. But you watch Thai boxers, this happens all the time. And they'll like be doing Cirque du Soleil stuff. So learn to play a little bit with someone holding your leg. It will quickly minimize that panic response, and you're not completely helpless either, because we're going to put ourselves in that position next.